Hi guys, Tiana here, and today I've been sent this awesome Little Live Pets Clever Kit from Moose Toys and Character Options. Thank you so much for sending me this awesome gift. This cute Clever Kit playset is for ages 5 plus, and I'm going to be opening this up and doing a review on it. This Clever Kit playset has got lots of cool features. It can sing, dance and drive a cart. How cool is that? Without wasting any more time, let's open it up and have a look inside. Here's everything all out of the box. Here's the cart, the perch, and here's another perch, but only the parrot will sing and dance, and it will look into the mirror, and the mirror can also move. And here is the bird feeder and the swing, and of course my parrot. Now I'm going to make my bird sing and dance, but before I do that I need to turn on the switch. And it's on that way, and you have to face it this way. I'm going to call you Polly. Polly!
What's my name?
Polly.
Can you say it again?
Polly.
Awesome! That's a good name! Polly Juice?
Let's do it again. This one's cool.
This song is awesome! I'm having a bad feather day!
I'm going to put it on the perch so I can repeat what I say.
Wake up! What's up?
Hi everybody!
Hi everybody!
Hello, are you okay? Hello, are you okay?
Hello, are you okay?
It's swing time!
It's time!
Let's take it off the perch and put it on the swing.
Nice! Good! Wow!
Well, look at it go, it's already high.
Whoa!
It's going really high now. I think now it wants to stop.
You're not dancing!
After all that swinging, I think it's really hungry.
Oh, okay. Well, this is cool too. Lunchtime!
It burped. Pardon you.
Lunchtime!
I guess he loves eating. Guys, it's time to do some exercising. Watch this.
That's cool!
This is a very clever parrot.
And away we go! Hey!
Polly's got something to say.
Talk to me! I'm a puppy cat!
You're so cool.
You're so cool!
You're my best friend.
You're my best friend!
he's good at dancing.
Howdy, Toons. Let's get this party started.
This is great music. Now I'm going to go on the swing, and that's my favourite thing. He's getting high already. He should be the champion at swinging. Now let's feed him. Looks very hungry.
My tummy's rumbling.
And there's also some water in here. That's all I've got for you today, guys. And I'm looking forward to see you in my next video. And can you please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys soon. Bye!